Why do 90% of learners fail at German sentence structure? It's because English keeps verbs early, but German kicks them to the back. Let's fix that in 5 minutes with Spot the Verb. When using English, we use a standard subject-verb-object order. But in German, subordinate clauses act differently. They push the conjugated verb to the absolute end. Forgetting this is the #1 learner mistake. Let's stop doing that. Our first trigger is weil, meaning because. It explains a cause and instantly forces the verb to the final position. Ready to play? Unscramble this sentence, Ich lerne Deutsch, with the words ist, es, weil, wichtig. You have 3 seconds. Go! 3, 2, 1. The answer: Ich lerne Deutsch, weil es wichtig ist. See that? The conjunction weil triggers the shift, and ist snaps to the end. Next is obwohl, meaning although. It expresses contrast and follows the exact same verb last rule as weil. Ready to play? Unscramble this sentence. Ist Eis with kalt, es, obwohl, ist. Think fast. You have 3 seconds. Go. 3, 2, 1. Die Antwort: isst Eis, obwohl es kalt ist. Ist pushed all the way to the back again. Finally, we have das, meaning that. It connects your thoughts to a main clause, and just like the others, it sends that verb to the finish line. And the last one, ich hoffe, with the words morgen, du, das, kommst. Don't let the verb escape. The solution? Ich hoffe, dass du morgen kommst. The verb kommst completes the connection at the very end. To master German sentences, follow these 3 rules. Spot the trigger word, find the action verb, and kick that verb to the absolute end. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking like a pro in no time.